Hey guys, today we're going to talk about stage 2 of the test in determining whether an employer will be vicariously liable for the acts or omissions of his employee. So the second stage of the test for determining vicarious liability is to decide whether there is a sufficient connection between the wrongful act of the employee and the employment relationship. The courts will look at whether there was a sufficient connection between the wrongful act and the employment relationship such that the relationship had created or significantly increased the risk of harm that ensued by the employee. The court, when determining whether the employment relationship would give rise to a close connection between the wrongful act, the court will consider several factors. Number one, whether there was an opportunity for the employer to give the employee a chance to abuse his or her power. Number two, the extent to which the wrongful act may have furthered the employer's aims, because this would result in a higher likelihood of the employee committing the act if the employee knows that committing the act would benefit the employer. He'll be more inclined to commit the act. Number three, the extent to which the employee's wrongful act was related to the risks inherent to the employer's businesses. Number four, the extent of power conferred on the employee in relation to the victim. Number five, the vulnerability of potential victims to the wrongful exercise of the employee's power as part of the employee's employment. In other words, what the courts want to know is whether the employment relationship has played a significant role in causing the employee to commit the wrongful acts which harm the victim. So, if the wrongful acts that harm the victim don't have a close connection to the employment relationship, then the courts would be less likely to find that the employer is vicariously liable. So thanks for watching this second video on vicarious liability.